I'm Zabrina Lo. I was a young French journalist from 2015 to 2016. I remember fighting with my friend at university to write about two programs that I really enjoyed. And one would be Europa Galante. And the second one was one of my favorite performances of all time. It was called Gala Flamenca. And it was a Spanish dance group coming to Hong Kong. And I was particularly interested in that one because I've always been interested in dancing. So when I first wrote about this performing arts program, I was talking to my tutor back then, and she gave me a lot of really useful advice in terms of how you should craft a piece and how you should let your audience member know more about particular certain aspects of the performing arts program. And that experience inspired me into creative writing and also appreciation guides writing. So after my bachelor's degree in Hong Kong, I went to London to take a master's degree in English. And there in London, because they had the West End, they also had a lot of performing arts program. And inspired by the Hong Kong Arts Festival, Young Friends program, I took part in also like a review program organized by one of the London universities. And there I had a similar experience of writing about reviews and appreciation guides. But because I joined the Hong Kong AF appreciation guide writing tutorial, I had the experience, I had the know-how, and when I approached the interviewees, I was like more hands-on with the experience. And that kind of like led me into thinking of my career in the future. And that's how I became an arts journalist today. And I also had to thank Hong Kong AF for being there for the support and also planting the seed back when I was a university student.